Most cruisers waste hundreds of dollars on their trip without even realizing it. In this video, I'm sharing 10 hidden cruise hacks that can easily save you $500 or more on every sailing in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the First Time Cruiser series. This is video number 6, and today we're talking about something everyone loves, saving money. Let's dive into the 10 hidden cruise hacks that can save you hundreds of dollars. Number 10. Book your next cruise while still on board. Many cruise lines offer huge future cruise deposits discounts if you book your next cruise before you disembark. You can save up to 30 to 50% off future sailings. Number 9. Use the ship's app for free Wi-Fi tricks. Instead of buying expensive Wi-Fi packages, use the ship's free app to message family, check schedules, and even make reservations without paying for internet. Number 8. Bring your own snacks and non-alcoholic drinks, within limits. Most lines allow a limited amount of snacks and sealed drinks. Pack protein bars, nuts, and your favorite soda to avoid buying overpriced onboard items. Number 7. Eat at the buffet during off-peak hours. The main dining room can feel crowded. Eating at the buffet during off-peak times means faster service and sometimes better food selection. Number 6. Use laundry hacks instead of paying for washing. Instead of paying $4 to $5 per item, bring a travel clothesline and detergent sheets. Hang clothes in the bathroom while showering to steam them. Number 5. Book shore excursions independently. Ship excursions are often 2 to 3 times more expensive. Research and book the same tours directly with local operators in port for huge savings. Number 4. Take advantage of happy hour and drink package deals. Many bars have happy hour specials. If you drink, compare the cost of the drink package versus buying individually. Sometimes individual is cheaper. Number 3. Use points and credit card tricks. Pay for your cruise using credit cards that give cruise-specific rewards. Some cards even give you onboard credit. Number 2. Choose the right cabin location smartly. Mid-ship cabins on higher decks often have less motion and better value. Avoid guarantee cabins to control your location. Number 1. The best hack: sail during shoulder season. Sailing in May, September, or early October can save you $400 to $800 compared to peak summer or holiday sailings with fewer crowds. Bonus tips: always compare prices on different cruise line websites. Join cruise line loyalty programs early. Look for wave season deals in January through March. These 10 hidden hacks can genuinely save you hundreds, sometimes even $1,000 on your cruise. Start using them from your very first trip. This was video number 6 of our 10-video First-Time Cruiser series. Next up, we'll talk about cruise food, what to eat and what to skip. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the remaining videos. Drop your best cruise hack in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bon voyage!